So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Bank of America stock, ticker symbol BAC on Moomoo. So once you have Moomoo opened up, I want you to go to the top right and press on the magnifying glass or the search icon. At the top here, as I mentioned, type in ticker symbol BAC for Bank of America. The first option here says Bank of America, press on that one, and then go to the bottom left and press on our trade, and then press on the green buy button. Once you're here, you can go ahead and adjust the type of session you're willing to buy this in, the type of order you want. So if you want a market or a limit or a stop limit, whatever the case may be, a bunch of different options right here. You can also go to the quantity options. If you wanted to buy 5 shares, for instance, it'll show you your price. And if all looks good for you, go to the bottom, press on the green buy button, and then proceed with the transaction this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Bank of America stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.